Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, this is HumbleFx signing in. Alright, today we are discussing a strategy that we use to catch spike. Okay, when I've gotten many messages that is saying that they want to catch spike, they want to learn how to catch spike and all that. So I decided to create a short video to teach you one of the ways you can catch spike trading the financial market. Alright, this is boom and crash. All right, okay, but actually me personally, I don't trade spike. I don't focus more on spike. I focus more on trading the ticks. Okay, because sometimes when you try to trade spike, it will be going against you in a long direction. If you have a low equity, then your account will be blown. Okay, so if you have a small account, don't even go on spike. Don't even try and go spike. Try to trade ticks, scalp the tips, and make your profit. Okay, it's more profitable if you can scalp. Okay, but if you like catching spike, then it is also a good one if you can have a good risk management. All right, this is the stuff. You could see a spike happen now. I missed this entry actually. You could see the spike happen right here. See that the spike just happened. Let me show you. Let me zoom it out. The zoom level. Okay, very simple. The setup is so simple that you can understand it perfectly well. Look at the spike happened here now. Spike just happened right now. That's how effective it is. Okay, but if you hold this trade, if you hold it, I would also tell you why we can't hold this trade. We can't hold it because something has happened also right here, so we cannot hold it. All right, now let us go to business. Now, how does we catch spike in the boom and crash market? Okay, first of all, you have to wait. The first thing you need to understand is check the trend direction. Check the trend direction. If you want to check the trend direction, you can check it using higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame also. You could say this is my trend line. My trend line already, the market has crossed it above, which means it is going to be a buy. All right, it's going to be a buy. So this is uptrend. For you to catch spike on uptrend is not so simple, is not so good. But once you catch a spike, you exit the market. You don't want to hold it for a long time, except another confluence happen that you will learn. Okay, now let me see. We now know that this is an uptrend market. It's not going to be uptrend, except if it will come down to retest that trend line, like this. Maybe let me show you something. Maybe it want to come and test the trend line like this, but it will actually go up. You can do something like this and go up like this. Okay, something like this can happen, but you are not sure. It might continue to go up this way and continue the upward movement. Okay, now let's now go back to where we are, what we are doing. Okay, let's go to where we are. Now let me show you the settings of the let me show you the settings so that we'll go from there. All right, first of all, we'll have on the main chart. You see the main chart is not part of it, is not part of the strategy. The main chart is the one we did last time. The last setup we did is the one on the main chart. You can go to the video and watch it to get the settings. Maybe you can just check on the video description to see the link to the video. You can get the settings of the main chart. Okay, now what we are discussing here is only this one here. Okay, now let us go to the F button. You want to add it. Okay, you add average directional movement index. Okay, period is 50. Styles, you leave the everything the background color except the di. You leave it at green or you choose any color of your choice. And the levels here will have levels of 10, 5, levels of 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 0, 0. Okay, and you can choose any color of your choice. I choose purple. You can choose any other color that you want, and you click on done. All right, now that's something I'm wanting to do right here. Now we'll have, I want to remove this. I want to change this one to RSI. Okay, now we have, you put RSI, click on this button here, you click on relative strength index. All right, now I'm using the default setting, default level period is 14, apply to close. Now the styles, this one should actually be a background color. Okay, now the levels here, I can just add level 90, okay, 80, then 20 and 10. Okay, you can just do it like this, and I will change the color of this stuff. Let me choose black, change the pixel, maybe I choose 3 pixel, and I'll click on done. Okay, sorry, I added it in a new in a new window. Sorry about that. I want to add this inside this, or this inside this place. Okay, so just follow me up. All right, relative strength index is already in the settings. Click on done. Okay, so I'm going to go and exit the one we added in the window. So this is it. We have changed the CCI to market participation index. Okay, now we are going to check also the moving average. Okay, this one we have period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. Then the style, you can choose any color. I choose orange. You can choose any color that you want, and you click on done. Okay, next one here, you check on the market facilitation index. Market fascination index. We have the volumes is thick, the line width I choose 3 pixel. You can choose the colors as I choosing them here. The M5 up volume green, M5 down volume down red, M5 up volume down red, and M5 down volume up green. You can just choose it the way I choose it, or you can change any of your choice. Then you click on done. Okay, click on done, and when you do that, you will have something like this. Okay, now what is the zoom level? Zoom level is this. From the lowest zoom level like this, you zoom it out 1, 2, that is 3, the third zoom level. Okay, so we are now set to go. Like I told you earlier, first thing first, you have to check if actually there is uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, you want to check the trend direction. All right, now this is it. First of all, to enter a market, how to wait for the orange line, which is the MA to cross the green line here. What is this black? What is this green line? The green line here is average movement index. Let us check it out. See that? That is the average directional index. When this thing here is crossing it upward here, look at it here, see it here. Before you, as you're doing it, please don't make a chart like this. Make it come to the end, extreme end. Okay, now you see that here is when it's crossed over. You see that? Then after one candle, you see a spike. All right, and it continues to move. Why after the spike happened, you check the candle that is actually in here. Oh God. After the candle has that there has already a spike, you check the next candle after that spike. Okay, you see the candle after that spike is green, which means it's not going to spike more instantly. We are going to buy. See that green, there is a spike happened. Now the next candle that followed it, the next stuff that come here is green also. So we can scalp the market from there. Now the market now is still moved, and after this spike happened here, the next candle here is red. So we should expect more spike here, guys. A spike should happen before this, from this place. A spike should happen. Just see the red is the one that appear after the spike. So we should expect more spike in this market. Okay, so that is one area you can catch spike. Okay, now let us check how it's happening. All right, like I told you guys, always check for the trend. Now see also here, there is a crossing right here. Okay, there's a crossing that right there. If you see that as we are moving the chart, only is not going, it's just static there. That means that is the actual crossing. All right, you see it here. There is a cross in of the orange color above the green color. All right, just see, it's just a sniper. When you when the thing cross here, it's crossed here, and after one candle, after one candle, guys, a spike happened. A spike happened, and it's happened until we get to the level again, to the over sold level. Okay, first thing you need to check out is the trend. Number one. Number two is that you need to know that you need to check if the market is at the overbought level. Okay, that is the level in the RSI level 80 and level 90. Okay, if it's already above level 80 or 90, then you know that is in an overbought level, and you expect to catch the spike. All right, now also see it here. See also here, there's a crossing here, there's a crossover right this place at the overbought level, and what happened? You see spike happening. Spike happened. Okay, now apart from being using to catch spike, you can also use to trade candles, to trade the ticks. All right, to scout the market. All right, now let's assume that this thing happened here. Assume that this actually came down to this point here, and you want to scout the market. You know you want to scalp it. You see that the market has already come to an oversold level 10, and it's covering up. You can enter your market and take few candles, maybe about 3 to 5 candles. You exit the market. You can see that you were able to take your candle before the spike continue to happen, because already is on a downtrend. Okay, because it's already on a downtrend, you have to be careful while scalping or taking spikes. All right, so you need to check the trend first. The trend is what you need to check first of all. Trend is what to check first of all. Let us check for boom 500. Okay, now this is boom 500. The reverse is the case here. The reverse is the case for this man here. When the market is actually coming down, is already at the oversold level, you now place your buy order. Look at it here. The market has actually come down to this oversold level here. All right, the green line, if you check here, the green line here is below, is not see is below here, and the orange color is already crossing it downward here. That's why you see that spike. This spike happened here. The spike happened. Okay, and it's because of the market is already on ranging here. You see here is ranging. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's just ranging in between these two areas here. Look at that, just ranging right here. So guys, this place is not a good place to trade except you are a scalper. To a scalper, you can just be scalping up and down in this market. When you come to the level, you scalp down. Come to up, you scalp up. Okay, so this is not a good place to trade if you don't understand the ranging market. So you can just skip this area, skip it. All right, try to wait for a good entry opportunity to trade. Now see it here, see one here. Market has come down from here to cross the green line below or over sold level 10. All right, and look at what happened. A spike has happened. It's a big spike has happened, and you have caught it red-handed. Guys, if you try to practice it guys, and understand, practice on demo, check it out on demo and see how you can actually make market with it. Okay guys, all right, you can also use it to trade candles. If you want to trade candles, you can just scalp candles with it, and be careful when scalping, because a spike can catch you and all your money is gone. So be careful when scalping. Be sure that everything is met, the market is on oversold or overbought level before you scalp or you buy or sell. All right, and if you do that, you are good to go. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. It will be a bomb. And please guys, if you are new to the channel, please help me and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Okay, comment on the video, share the video, like the video, and see you in the next video, guys. This is HumbleFx. Sign out. All right, have a great day.